Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Vice, and today we're watching Demon Slayer Season 3, Episode 5. In the last episode, we really just focused on the fight between the demon that can duplicate himself, and Tanjiro did learn that you have to cut the tongue because it makes it slower for them to come back, and then also weaker if they keep duplicating. Like there's a limit to how much they can duplicate and how strong they are in accordance with that. So he figured that out. He ran in to help save Nezuko, but unfortunately him and Nezuko are both unconscious at the moment. They are knocked out. They're out for the count. And Genya's the only one left in that area that can really make a difference right now, and I'm kind of worried about that because he is outnumbered and injured. The Love Hashira is on her way, so hopefully she will be able to help. And I'm really excited to see what her fighting style is like and what her breathing technique is like. I know it's love, but I can't really visualize what that might look like. But I am very excited to keep watching this show, so without further ado, let's get into it. Yep, because we're gonna go protect the guy who does the sword for Tanjiro. Or not, we're protecting someone else. Oh, that's your guy for your sword, right? Yeah, it is. Okay. Aww. Tanjiro's so kind. Oh no, we are going to him too. Yeah, okay, I was right. We just had to save him on the way. I don't know, I think there's gonna be a demon. Yeah, the demon. I knew it. So what's going to be the twist with this guy? I don't think it's going to be as simple as cutting his neck. And then the village is dealing with all of these demon fish. Like, terrifying, terrifying. Oh my god, is it eating him? I should have expected that. Here she comes. Let's see you in action. Oh my god, she's so fast. Wow. She's incredible. The big one. Ooh. Oh no. Ooh. He's dead. He's being squished. Yep, here she is. To save the day. Oh my god, I didn't even notice her sword is like a whip. Yeah. Interesting. Wow. Her weapon is so cool. Is he okay though? I don't know. I think it's too late for him. Yeah, what's that? A scent? Oh, she woke up and she took him. Good. I really thought they were going to be out for the entirety of the fight. Where's Genya? Can he come help, please? Uh. How do you dodge that? You can't. Oh, she's reaching for him. All that destruction. Oh my god. They must be buried. Oh, Nezuko. Why won't she let go of the sword? No, what is she trying to do? She's trying to do something. I can't figure it out. Hi, Gyokyo. Can you leave? My artwork? What would that be? Oh my god. All the people you've killed. And they probably know them. Are they still alive? They're twitching. Oh my god, they are. They're still alive. Oh no. This is awful. This is torture. Don't let this guy monologue. Just go kill him, please. Yeah, this is... Nope. Yeah, come on, go all out. No way. It's that easy. No, I knew it. I would have loved it to be that easy, though. Oh, it teleports. Wow. Oh, beheading will kill this one. Yeah, because why else would it... It wouldn't have left. It would have let you cut his neck because it wouldn't have mattered. Oh. Why does it love fish? Oh no. Oh. He took the blow. Oh my god. So blunt. Oh, it numbs you. Nope, you're wrong. It's not worthless. Yeah, so he's gonna start regaining his memories. Yeah, it's your talk that's worthless. Ooh, its neck is too strong. Water prison pot. So you can just like, what is your power? Oh, you can't cut through it. Demon Slayer's greatest weapon is his breathing. You're right. Wow. Yeah, what's up with Nezuko? What is she trying to do? Yeah. It's changing color. Black sword is turning red because of Nezuko? Isn't red the color the guy wanted for him? A samurai sword turns red only during battle. Yeah. This is you having the memory of the ancestor. Yeah, him. Like yours. Yeah. I hope it's enough to kill this demon. Yeah, oh my gosh. What a great visual. Come on. Let's kill him. You know something's wrong though. Raging sword. Yes, that's him from the memory. That drove Lord Muzan into a corner and nearly beheaded him. Yeah, and see the mark. Look at that. This is insane. This is beautiful. Oh my god. Incredible. You got all of them. I need to slash all 4 at once. Okay, yeah, one of them was missing. Sorrow, right? Is he? Oh my god, he's a demon? No way. And that was Demon Slayer season 3, episode 5? What? I literally just said he's not a demon. I was literally making excuses for him as to why he wasn't eating, why his tooth regenerated, like why he was not dying when the demons kept killing him over and over again. I made so many excuses. I was like, oh, you know, it might be his breathing technique. It's just so advanced. I literally said he's not a demon. And he's a demon. He's a demon, but he can hide it. He can hide it so well that Tanjiro can't smell him as a demon. That's insane. That's crazy. How long has he been a demon? Like, was it recent? Does his brother know? Does the master know? Who knows he's a demon and who doesn't? Is he hiding it from everyone and now Tanjiro's the first one to find out? Like, what's going on here? Because Tanjiro broke his arm during final selection and it seemed very, very painful. But then again, demons can still be hurt. They can still have their arms broken. They can still bleed. But now this just brings in like a whole nother connection here because Genya has been so adamantly against Tanjiro and being his friend. And it's just so strange because if he's been a demon this whole time, wouldn't you want Tanjiro to be your friend? Because you know, without a doubt, that Tanjiro is going to understand you more than anyone. He is going to try more than anyone because he's already doing that with his own sister, with Nezuko. So now, Genya has just become like such an intriguing character. I want to know if he's eaten anyone or if he's like Nezuko and he has not eaten anyone. And that is why he has been allowed to live as a demon slayer. Like, this is kind of incredible, but I am leaning towards it's a secret, because with Tanjiro, all the Hashira had to be in attendance to discuss what was going to happen with him and Nezuko. Even though it was the master's final decision, they were all still there for that. So if the master knew about Genya being a demon, I think the same exact situation would have happened there, where all the Hashira had to have been in the know. But I don't think they are. I just don't think they know. What a reveal. What a crazy reveal to have at the end of this episode. I also did want to quickly talk about one thing with the missed Hashira. So he is missing all of his memories, and slowly. Sorry if this image just changed on you, if it's like slightly off. I use my phone as my camera, and someone just tried to call me and interrupted what I was saying. And when I went to decline the call, it moved. So it might be slightly off than what it was previously before that happened. Sorry. But the missed Hashira, he has lost all of his memories, and he is slowly gaining them back one by one by hearing similar phrases said by others. I'm really curious what his memories are going to piece together to reveal to us, because I feel like it must have some significance if we're focusing on it. The love Hashira, her weapon is a whip. That's crazy. I love this. I love that we're diving into different styles of how to create weapons using basically the same qualities as the Nichiren swords, because now we have a gun and we have a whip. That's so cool. It's just like when they started using wisteria in their weapons, like as a poison, like Lady Kocho, I think her name is. Butterfly Girl, she uses the wisteria poison to kill her demons. And I thought that was such a great application of that. And I couldn't believe more people weren't using it that way. But it seems like we are expanding. It's more than just swords now. And I love that. And then we have, of course, Nezuko holding on to that sword, covering it with her blood. And in the back of my mind, I was thinking, oh, maybe she's going to try and use her blood art on it, but I couldn't figure out why she would. But then she did it anyway. And it was like, oh yeah, of course that's what you're trying to do there. It turned his sword red. And that has meaning, because it's the same sword that's from the memory that all the demons have of this swordsman almost defeating Muzan. And it's that guy. It's that guy from 300 years ago. And now I'm like I don't know if he is the same person as Upper One. When this demon was looking at Tanjiro and seeing the overlay of that swordsman, I felt like if the swordsman was also Upper One, wouldn't they also see the overlay of Upper One in that scene? Or maybe they don't know? Maybe they don't know. That could be it too. But I just feel like Upper One he resembles the swordsman way too much not to be the same guy, right? Right? But man, all of these memories and all the similarities between Tanjiro and the swordsman does make me think they're related somehow. I don't know how, but they have to be, because it's the same scar. And it expands when they use their power like that. Like Tanjiro's scar is just a regular scar, but then when he goes all out, like it becomes the marking. And the same thing with this man, he has the marking on his face, but it seemed like it expanded when he was fighting Muzan. So very interesting. I really like the direction the story is going right now, and I can't wait to find out more about that swordsman and the upper rank one. Oh, I have a feeling it's gonna be really good. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought about this episode. If you enjoyed my reaction, please leave a like and subscribe, and check out my other shows here on the channel. And with that, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye!